Hello everyone, my name is Samuel Vasudevan and I am a student of Karya University, and this is my program of linked list, and in this program I will show how a linked list works. So first I have declared a structure named list, then inside that I have declared a variable data of int data type, then a pointer next. Then after that structure, a pointer head which I have initialized to value null. Then again I have taken a pointer monkey. Then a function void insert front for inserting an element in the front. Another function insert last for inserting the element at the last. Then insert n position for inserting an element at a particular position. Then delete node for deleting a node. Then search for searching a particular element. Then display to display the linked list. Then the main function comes. Then in that I have declared a variable called choice of int data type. Then I have used while loop. Then cout, insert friend, cout insert last, cout insert at any position, cout delete node, cout search the element, cout display, and then in choice. Here we are asking the user. According to the user, he will enter what he or she wants to do. Then using switch case, we have declared here case 1 insert at front, then break, then insert at last, break, case 3 insert at end position, break, then case 4 delete node, break, then case 5 search, break, then case 6 display, break, then default cout invalid input. Then our first function comes void insert friend. This function we are using to insert the element at the front. First, list pointer node is equal to new list. Then cout enter the data to be inserted. Then we are asking the user to enter the data. Then node pointer data. Then we are checking the condition. If head is equal to null, head is equal to node, node pointing next is equal to null, else node pointer next is equal to head, head is equal to node. This was our first function to insert the data at the first position. Then this is our second function, insert last, to enter the element at the last. Here list star temp is equal to new list, cout enter the data to be inserted. Then in temp arrow data, temp arrow next is equal to null. Then we are checking the condition. If head is equal to null, then head is equal to temp, else list star last is equal to head. Then using while loop we are checking the condition. While last arrow next is not equal to null, last is equal to last arrow next, last arrow next is equal to temp. This was our second function for inserting an element at the last. Then for inserting an element at a particular position, this is a function. First I have declared a variable n of integer data type. Then list star temp 1. I have initialized two pointers. Then temp is equal to new list, cout enter the data to be inserted. Then in temp arrow data. Then we are checking the condition. If head is equal to null, cout list is empty, and temp arrow data will be the only data now. Then endl, which will come to next line, temp arrow next is equal to null, head is equal to temp, and then return the value. Then cout, enter the node number. Here it's asking the user at which position or at which, after which node you want to enter the element. So scene, the enter is entering the element. Then temp 1 is equal to head. Then using for loop, for int I is equal to 1, I is less than I minus 1, I plus plus. Then we are checking the condition. If temp arrow next is equal to null, then cout n node doesn't exist. Then endl, it will come to next line. Then it will break, it will come out of the function. Then temp 1 is equal to temp arrow next. Then temp arrow next is equal to temp 1 arrow next. Then temp 1 arrow next is equal to temp. This was a function for inserting an element at a particular function. Then this is our fourth function. Here we are asking the user to delete the node. First, list star previous equal to head, star last is equal to head. Then we are checking the condition. If head is equal to null, cout the list is empty. Then endl, it will come to next line. Then we are returning the value, that is return. Then again we are checking the condition. If last arrow next is equal to null, cout the data deleted is, it will show the data deleted, last arrow data. Endl, next line, head is equal to null, then delete last. Else, through while loop we are checking. If last arrow next is not equal to null, previous equal to last, the last is equal to last arrow next. Cout the data deleted is last arrow data, and it will come to next line. Previous arrow next is equal to null, then delete last. This was the function for deleting a node. Then this is a function for searching a particular element. I have initialized value variable of integer data type, pos is equal to 1, flag is equal to 0, and I have initialized monkey is equal to head. Cout, enter the value you want to search. Endl, it will come to next line. Then here then user is entering a value. Then through while loop we are checking the condition. If monkey is not equal to null, then if monkey arrow data is equal to value, cout your value is found at position, it will show the value. And then flag plus plus, break. Monkey is equal to monkey arrow next, then position plus plus. If flag is equal to 0, the value entered is not in the stack. Then this is the last function, display, to display our linked list. List arrow temp is equal to head. If head is equal to null, cout list is empty. Endl, then we will return. While we are checking, temp is not equal to null, cout temp arrow data. Endl, temp is equal to temp arrow next. Now let's see the output of this program, how it works. Here first option is insert at front, insert at last, insert at any position, delete node, search the element, and then display. Let's insert an element at the front. Enter the data to be inserted. Let's enter 1. Then for our convenience, again let's enter the data at front so that it will become easier to understand. another data, let's take 2. Then let's insert at the last, so we will select the second option. Then let's enter the data to be inserted, let's say 3. Okay, now the third option, insert at any position, so we have to select 3 and then enter the data to be inserted, let's say 4. Now it's asking enter the node number, that after which node we have to enter this number. Now let's say after second node. Okay, then let's delete a node. For that we have to select fourth option. The data deleted is 3. Okay, now let's search the element. For that we have to select fifth option. Now it's asking to enter the value you want to search, so let's search 3. Okay, the value entered is not in the stack. Okay, now let's display our stack, and this was our stack. Hope you got the idea of the working of a linked list. Thank you for watching my video.